Hey family, what's going on? This is JD, the mobile trader, coming to you on what Thursday? Thursday, January 13th, 2022. Okay, look, I'm in Kansas City. Zoom out. I was searching for the property, the $5,000 property. A lot of them, the jig is up. Somebody got it, but you keep searching, and I made it over to this row right here. I'm in wifey's account. We're gonna get this property and hold it. Look at the price on this. 4,521. I've been moving all around the screen. I'm on the mobile. You see the address. This is the last one in this little thing. Well, actually, I got to bring the Block Explorer next to it. Let me show you how to do it. It's gray or kind of whitish right now. I'm going to send my wife's Block Explorer to the property next to it. Have 10 cents left. It'll zoom in. And that property that was gray is going to turn bright green. All of them will. The ones that means it's able to be minted right now. Before, and they won't show up on the list. They're not, that $4,000 property will not show up when you do a comp search. So it's hidden to the comp search. You have to just get off in there and dig. So get this, pay $4,521. Let's go. Let's load it up. FSA, you can only sell 2 of these per week, per calendar week. And they carry a 6-month cool down period before they can be, well, 6 months before we can cash out to USD. They're trying to keep the economy in check with that. But anyway, but still, this is too good to pass up. Got that. Let it work on the blockchain. We'll keep the certificate, and I'm gonna show you something else. Gonna I'll keep the. You can change what people pay the visitors fee. I normally set mine at 10, but I see everybody at 20. I'm gonna leave this at 20. If they come by, and if someone comes in and sends to your property, you will get that 20 UPIX. So we're gonna hold this, but let me show you what you do. You want to run the comps on the neighborhood. I'm not really worried about what that home looks like too much. It's a small sized home. Property size is 33 UP2 or whatever the size. Earnings are 65 a month. It's not in a collection, anything special other than just basic collections, but this is how you run the comps to find out what the floor is. Let's see what this one is, how much that is. That's 10,000. That's a pretty large one, but nothing special about it to make me want to cough up 10K. But let me zoom out. This is how we run the comps to see what the floor is, to know what I can expect to pay or sell this house for at the lowest level in the worst case scenario. I'll show you. Okay, I zoomed out. I have all of Kansas City within my screen. I hit the right below, look on the right side of the screen, lower right, bottom right, the little house in the middle. Hit that. It's going to pull up all the properties nearby. It's going to show you the cash, what I could receive in cash. The floor in Kansas City is $8. A lot of times, if you can see properties at $8 or cheaper, if they just, and you can see them early in the morning sometimes, you can buy that and you can flip it into UPIX if you were looking to buy UPIX anyway, instead of paying $10 and getting 10,000 UPIX, you pay $8 and you can probably get 12,000. Something, just a thought. I'm gonna see what the lowest UPIX amount is right now, but we know the floor for cash is $8. So worst case scenario, well, in 6 months it might be higher if we hold it that long. And there we go. UPIX is going to be pretty good. The UPIX return on this is going to be outstanding. We could flip this today for 10,000 because the lowest UPIX is 10,500 right now. So 10,499. 10.2, 10.1. I don't think 99.9999 is up there today. Is it? All right, right around 10K. So, and just for slippage, we say 9K. Let's just say we have 5,000 in. That's 4,000 up. The return on investment right there. So that was just a quick way to do it, guys. And remember, the unminted properties will not show up in a property search. So let's see what I want to do. Take a picture of this thing. Wifey's property. What was it? Bam. And that's money. All right, guys. Y'all have a